Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. Or basically, we're going to try to add 20 photos on one Instagram post. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up in here, I'm just going to tap on the plus sign. All right, to get started. Now in here, tap on select multiple. Okay, I'm going to untick this one. Let's say I'm going to use these photos right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Once that's done, I'm going to tap on next right here at the top right. And as you can see here we have our photos. Okay. I'm just going to scroll up to the end right here. All right, it's all 20. Just tap on next. If you want to, you can go ahead and add in some music, filters, or some other good stuffs. All right, just gonna tap on next. It says here loading, just wait for it. Before, we need to tap on the carousel icon, but now you can just easily upload multiple photos at once. Okay, sample, like so. Just tap on share, go back to your profile, wait for it to process, and then just go ahead and refresh the page. And here we have the 20 photos. All right, as you can see here, 1 out of 20. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.